Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything about things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Why did Labour Party perform so abysmally in the September 21, 2024 governorship election in Edo State? Labour Party, you can remember, enjoys a lot of goodwill in Edo State. It did not perform very well. In fact, it came a distant third. Even for those who claim that Labour Party being on the race will divide votes, from the water neck release as the result of the election, Labour Party did not even win a single local government. Therefore means their impact was minimal. It couldn't have affected the general outcome of the election. So what happened? Why did the candidate of Labour Party, Olumide Akpata, perform so badly? There are explanations. There are external explanations that I will give, and then there are also the ones that Akpata himself will give as a postmortem on the election. Peter Obi enjoys a lot of goodwill in Edo State too, and Labour Party was popular in Edo because of Peter Obi. But one of the fundamental errors that was made was Julius Abure. I understand that Julius Abure is from Edo Central, and Edo Central, according to the consensus of Edo people, should produce the next governor of Edo State. Should produce the next governor of Edo State. In other words, there was an agreement. It may not have been written that after all the other zones have had their shot on the governorship position, that this election is going to be the turn of the central. That was why, if you look at the PDP, their governorship candidate is from the central. The APC, their governorship candidate is from the central. But Julius Abure, who himself is said to come from central, allowed Akpata to emerge as the candidate of the party against the run of play, against what the Edo people wanted, a change of geographic location of the president, of the governorship position. So it was Abure that sabotaged the chances of Labour Party ahead of the election, because as an indigene of Edo State, he ought to have known that the next governor should come from the central, but he went and ensured that Akpata emerged. That was one of the greatest undoing of the Labour Party, that particular action. Now, if you set aside that aspect, say, okay, forget about the geographic location or the geographical region of the candidates. If you put them on the scale, Akpata was the best candidate ahead of that election. This is because this is a former president of Nigerian Bar Association. He had been in the private sector. He doesn't have a godfather. Now you see that the candidate of the PDP, Asue Igalo, that one has godfather as Governor Godwin Obaseki as his godfather. The other one, Monde Ekpabolo, he has godfathers, the leading godfather being Adams Oshomole, Olumide Akpata has no godfather. So if really they don't want a change in leadership, disregarding the geographic origin of their governor, he was the best candidate. But it appears that was the least of concern. Capacity, integrity was the least of their concern ahead of that election. I mean the electorates. So, but at the end of the day, after the election, from what we have seen, there had been protestation about the outcome. But the Labour Party candidate, Olumide, he lost even his word in his polling unit. He lost his polling unit. And he offered explanation. He has offered explanation for why Labour Party lost. One of the reasons he gave why he lost his polling unit was that he did not buy votes. He was not interested in buying votes. That there was, first of all, he said there was low voter turnout. Then those that came out were ready for the highest bidder. So PDP, according to him, PDP and APC were all sharing the money. It depends on who you now want to vote, who gave you the highest money. Of course, we know that the electorate have been advised ab initio that anybody that bring money, they should collect it. No legitimate money will be shared on the election. They accept stolen money. So they should collect it. It's their money. So I have no problem with people collecting all this money. But he was saying that those people collected money and acted based on the dictate of that money. So because they collected money and he didn't give money, that was why he lost his polling unit. That is also an important thing to note. It means that Akpata lost based having his integrity intact. He did not buy votes. He did not try to rig the election. According to him, he said that APC and PDP were buying votes all over the place. Labour Party did not do that. He said he didn't have the money to do that. And even if he had the money, he will not do that. And he now talk about the fact that both the sitting PDP government in that state and the APC, they were all spending money buying votes. He even took a jab at the PDP that are complaining about the election, saying that PDP was as bad as APC in manipulating the election. That PDP and APC were all the same. They were in the same bed. Only that APC was able to outspend them. In other words, he is admitting that these two parties compromise the outcome of the election and that PDP is crying wolf because they were outmaneuvered in dispensing corruption. Because what happens when you are buying votes, you are participating in political corruption. So both APC and PDP were corrupt. They participated in corruption. The only thing is that APC, being the government in power at the national, was able to display their federal might, and they had more money perhaps from Abuja to be able to buy more votes at a higher rate than PDP. So in the statement that Akpata released, he had no sympathy for PDP, but He also condemned the Edo electorate who collected these monies and acted on it. And he said that Edo people will get what they deserve by allowing this kind of system to operate, by allowing this kind of system of selecting leaders who are selected based on how much they can pay and not how much they can deliver. And he felt that that is not a good story to tell about the future of democracy in Nigeria, and that also is going to impact the development of Edo State going forward. So that to me is like a fair assessment on why Labour Party performed abysmally in the Edo election. I do not know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let us know at the comment section so that we can have cross-fertilization of ideas on how to make our country better. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the subscription, when you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.